Hi there. Welcome to this video. This is pretty much just about like me cleaning up, having a bit of fun, listening to some music and just showing you guys, oh my gosh, I want to show you guys things that I use, tips and tricks, things you guys should have around your house to make things just life easier, right? So I'm not trying to be like, oh my gosh, I'm a clean freak. Bruh, this is not about pretending. This channel is about being real. It's my journey, it's what I do, and just how we can learn together. So I really want to play Andy Mineo, Coming in Hot, but it's like everybody knows that. I think I'm one of the first people to even hear that song because I'm an Andy fan.
Yeah, coming in hot, just like the fajita, I ride what I live, my life in the speaker.
Listen up, we only have a few minutes.
I've just done a bit of shopping, so I'm just going to unpack a bit of that, and yeah, let's get into it.
But I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. Shoot the shot. I'm coming in. Walk one up.
Hi peeps, testing, hope this is working and stuff like that. Cool, so I'm editing the video right now and I'm watching it back and I'm just like, oh my gosh, Ade, what the heck? So that day, you know when you got days where you just feel down and meh and you're not really cleaning up, you're not really doing anything around your house? That day was the day that I woke up and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna fix everything, I'm gonna clean everything, I'm gonna change my surroundings, I'm gonna play music and I'm gonna be happy. Do you get? So I wasn't really thinking about my clothes, I wasn't really thinking about what I was wearing, I was just doing me. Trying to be happy, you know, blah 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 blah, dance, you know, be a bit weird, you know, that kind of thing. So I'm watching it back now like, girl, you really wore that, you know, but it's fine, it's cool, it's the real me. And then also my dancers, guys, please don't laugh, I know I can dance, but sometimes I pretend that I can't dance, you know, because yeah, then you can't say anything, you know. And then yeah, that video was taken back in April, which has been like 3 almost 4 months now, so a lot has changed and everything like that. I like to see that my skin is actually kind of clearing a bit, you know. It isn't right now, but that's because of something else, but still my skin is clearing and I'm so happy that that's now going on. But anyway, that's enough, back to the video.
Grew up in a place where toes get stepped on. All white Air Force One, so yeah, it's a head loss. Age old beef in the streets in deadlock. Told YG, gotta look out for the red dot. Wrong place, wrong time, bro, that's your head gone. Stress, don't need no ECG. Been cold in a block since BCGs. The youths ride out, no CBT. Mask on face before pandemic, and that's just for CCTV. No invite, they'll pull up on your estate. See a knob slipping on a block, that's checkmate. Arms out to your mum's house, skip leg day, broad daylight. Don't care who spectates, strict order, been sent by sensei. The block's hot, it ain't just gal in a crop top, sitting in a drop top. Broad day, brothers on a up block, 24/7 on smoke, no stopwatch. And at what cost? Young gunners like partay, pull up to the hot spot, it has not stopped. The village is on fire, it's looking like lock stop. Went back to the motherland searching, sitting in a backseat, taxi swerving. Mad heat, black tea curtains.
Big guy, bend down, wing gang. You know, big guy, big moves, set free, lip blonde, that's how we living. It's lit. One life living, I don't really get a redo. Walk by faith, let the Holy Spirit lead you. Hardest word the kingdom, I ain't talking about soaring, but the Father got me soaring real high like an eagle. Send a prayer up, Father, never let me leave you. Harder for the rich to enter than a camel through a needle. Treasure up there, don't rush, so I run it up, gotta rep Jesus. Ooh, yeah, I had to switch up my ways, I had to switch up the walk, yeah. I'm going in with my faith, ayy. You know I roll with the flock, ayy. I do not move with the haste, yeah. Yeah, he directing the plot, ayy. You know my gift is not wasted. I'm trying to honor my pops, yeah. Big God, bend down, I know right. Been by, set free, off the leash, ayy. Woody, I wouldn't try me, ayy. With the most high key, yeah. Copy y'all unlikely, yeah. Baby, I don't follow I lead, yeah. Feeling like a fresh white tee, ayy. Grace that shit on me, ayy. Money can't really buy me, ayy. Some of y'all press that tea, ayy. Feeling like a fresh white tee, ayy. Grace that shit on me, ayy. Money can't really buy me, ayy. Reckless, ayy. I ain't fearing no man, what is he gon' do? Gotta believe him, shot like it's Pikachu. See, I'm walking by faith, all inspired my fright. I ain't gotta have sight, ain't no peekaboo. If you out trying to sin, I can't link with you. If it ain't in his will, I relinquish too. God is all that I need, see, I'm living in deep, but it can't just be me, gotta free him too. Yeah, ooh. OMG, he did it again, told him come and see. Doing big things, now I got a big ring. See, a girl had plans, but my God.
Oh, it's pretty cute. It's so cute. And then, so, it took off my address like proper. Before I used to be ripping and cutting. This is so much easier now. I'm impressed.
Yeah, I'm about to step in the ring for the fight of my life. Hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. And thing is, I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love, this for the ones who've been stuck in the mud. Searching for hope, trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in my problems. But God came and threw me the rope. Can't wait to look in his eyes. All of my life I've been battling lies. I found the truth and took off my disguise. Come from my head, I still live for the prize. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was in the city going down, trying to blow. Everything changed when I learned to let it go. Hopping on stage, I ain't in it for the show. Only got one life, so I gotta let them know. Talk about real. I seen a man's whole bad hill. I seen a woman drooling out the mouth. I seen the demons in the cast it out. I seen my brother throw his hoe, vaping the late. Seen smooth heal from the dark. I seen the spirit change my own heart. Can't tell it all, but this a good start. Christopher. First artist that I listen to is Elvis. Think about my life and I don't wanna die selfish. Living helpless like no one else is enough for me. Wanna walk with God, you gotta walk with some good company. Not the ones that build your company. Reach don't come for me. I found a real good thing, not just when I feel good thing.
So I did the kitchen and living room. And living room is much better. And I said to myself, girl, calm down. Take it easy. I'm so tired. It's been, I said 1 hour, guys. It's been 3-4 hours or so. Filming and cleaning. It's just...
This is my story, yeah. But you write it for me. Lord, please remind me